This is NBC Nightly News with Tom Brokaw. Reporting tonight from Washington.
Your money tonight and your family. A generation of older Americans is about to pass down the largest amount of retirement money ever to their families. An extraordinary amount in IRAs, 401ks, and assorted other investments that have paid off handsomely in these boom times. But how to keep that money in the family, away from the tax collector? NBC's chief financial correspondent is Mike Jensen.
Guys, you ready?
Frank Johnson is one of 62 million Americans sitting on a pot of gold. Altogether, $4 trillion stashed away in retirement accounts. His IRA worth $600,000. He wants to leave it to his children and grandchildren.
What you need is a rocket ship. And I shall build one, said Bear.
The booming economy has made this generation of American retirees the richest in history. IRAs and 401ks averaging $65,000 and running up to millions. More retirement money than many older Americans think they need for themselves. Plenty to leave to their families. But there's a hitch. Unless they take certain steps now, the tax collector could get as much as 80% of that money. How to prevent that?
Hey, Frank.
A few simple steps, says Ed Slott, a leading expert on IRAs.
Who's the beneficiary of this IRA?
I'm not sure. I believe my son is, but I'm not really positive.
Frank Johnson checked and discovered he never named his son beneficiary after becoming a widower, meaning his IRA would go to his estate, be stripped of its special tax status, lose most of its value. What to do?
Get a copy of that beneficiary form. Call the financial institution tomorrow if you can't find it.
The next piece of advice, take out an insurance policy to pay any estate taxes that will eventually fall due on your IRA or 401k, so your heirs won't have to cash it in. Frank Johnson took the advice, named his son beneficiary, and is buying a new insurance policy. Experts say the result is the IRA money he saved could grow to $10 million in 40 years if his heirs leave it alone.
I mean, it's going to cost me a little insurance in the meantime, but that's a small amount to pay.
For Frank Johnson and 70 million other Americans over 50 counting down to retirement or already there,
10, 9, 8, 7,
a way to make sure their children and grandchildren benefit from the retirement nest eggs it took them a lifetime to accumulate. Mike Jensen, NBC News, New York.